Hi, I'm Eva, the consultant trichologist here at Absolute Collagen, and today I'm here to talk to you about everything relating to itchy scalps. So what causes the scalp to itch? There can be lots and lots of different causes. It can be an irritant in a product, so sometimes perfumes can cause itching. It can be residue from products, so styling products left in, too much dry shampoo, or it can be an actual scalp condition itself. The three most common are dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and psoriasis. So people often ask me about the science behind itchy hair. So the actual conditions that we diagnose are dandruff. Dandruff is just sort of flakes that fall quite freely. Generally they don't itch. Frequency of washing and a good product will generally clear dandruff up. Seborrheic dermatitis is a little bit more tricky. It's where the natural yeast that lives on the scalp gets overactive. It causes flaking, itching, inflammation. And generally you need to be washing your hair quite regularly, every day, every other day, and using a really good treatment shampoo, something with active ingredients in there. Things like salicylic acid or pyrophenolamine, they're really good at getting those flakes off. And then psoriasis is an autoimmune condition where the skin cells produce 5 times quicker than they should do, and it builds up like a big thick plaque that sits on the scalp. It can be incredibly itchy and uncomfortable, and it bleeds really easily. Generally with psoriasis, you need to have a sort of dual approach, having a clinic treatment to soften and lift the scale without making it sore, and then using a brilliant shampoo to manage the scalp in between those treatments. And that's the science really that sits behind itchy, scaly scalps. The AC Hair Care, the shampoo and conditioner, when we did our trial, our survey, we did actually have 3 ladies that had got flaky, itchy scalps, and the frequency of washing and the brilliant ingredients that are in there really helped to clear that up. It's a combination of the surfactant that we use, which is quite gentle on the cleansing, and the hydration to hydrate and moisturise the scalp. So using the Absolute Collagen shampoo and conditioner can really help your scalp. It can really make sure it's clean and balanced and hydrated. It can help to clear the flaking, calm the itching, and give you the ideal growing conditions for super hair. People often ask me about what they should be doing to reduce an itchy scalp. The first thing is frequency of washing. I've said it lots of times. Your scalp is made of skin just like your face. We wash that every day. Frequency of washing every day, every other day ideally. The other thing is, don't go mad with dry shampoo. So dry shampoo does have a place, you know, it can stretch a day's washing if you've got a very oily based scalp, but don't use 2 or 3 days worth of it. It builds up on the scalp and it causes itching and inflammation. And the other thing is, try not to be a picker. Try not to get your fingers in and scratch and pick. You can cause little bits of infection. And really choose products that work for you. And that's where the Absolute Collagen shampoo and conditioner really win out. They're nice and gentle, but highly effective. And that's what you're looking for in a really good hair care product. And finally, in terms of having an itchy, flaky scalp, if you want to get on top of it, if it's just flaking and there's no itching, frequency of washing, good shampoo and conditioner should clear it up. If it isn't clearing up, then I'd suggest you see a trichologist. And if you've got itching or inflammation or soreness, again, see a trichologist, because they can confirm the condition and they can help you with a really effective treatment shampoo, which is different to the Absolute Collagen shampoo and conditioner. It'll have different active ingredients in that will deal with your specific scalp condition. So thanks for listening. I've been Eva Proudman, consultant trichologist at Absolute Collagen. Any questions, any concerns, do contact us. There's lots of ways of getting in touch, and please do. I'll always be delighted to hear from you, and even more delighted to help and answer your questions.